In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to remove the background of an image using an AI tool called Vheer. Okay, so you can access Vheer by just coming to vheer.com. It's a free online AI image generator that has a number of features, including our image background remover. You can see it down here. So you can upload any image and you're going to remove the background directly with just one click. So let's select this and then let's upload the background image that we want to use. We can see some samples of what it has generated and how you can remove the background. All right, so right here you can drag and drop the image. So let's say I have an image of a cat that I want to bring in. So let's say I have this beautiful cat that I want to remove the background. As you can see, I've just imported it and I want it to go without a background. If you want to add any of these backgrounds, you can add, or you can have custom color added to the background, but I want to just remove it and have it with a clear background or transparent background. So let's say remove background. Let's give it some seconds to see the wonders it is going to do to our image. And right now you can see it has just removed the background. Take a look at how clear it has removed the background. It's very, very clear. You can click to download and let's take a look at what it has done for us. This is why I like this, is the professionalism in removing the background. Take a look at how professional it has removed the background, and you're free to replace it now with something. Maybe we can add in another color to this, or you can put in this color. Let's go with something like this. I think it's much better. Okay, so we can go with something like this, and with just one click you'll be able to see that it has removed and replaced the background that you have. So fantastic and professional. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.